as part of the work that we've done in the past with leadership development, we often will complete what we call safety leadership self-assessments, so getting people to self-reflect. And this is just an example of, I guess, some of the data that we've seen collectively across participants completing leadership development and the feedback that they've had self-reflecting on their own leadership styles. And interestingly, care and concern is actually the best performing result based on the population that we've worked with. So, not one necessarily one or right or wrong answer, but certainly a great opportunity to stop and reflect to understand how your performance is and how you can then positively influence others.